Before we begin this video, please click like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you believe that there should be justice for Snenhlanhla Khoza, because her story is very, very sad. I mean, it's kind of like unbelievable, but it is happening in real time. So this lady here also came forward with her own commentary. She also says that she knows a friend of hers who underwent, or it's not a similar situation per se, but who actually encountered something bad and similar for the rest of her life, just, you know, from sleeping with foreign nationals. But let's watch this video and please share your thoughts in the comment section.
Uyabona ngempilweni yami sengizibone zonke izinto ezimbi ezenzeka emhlabeni, kodwa ngiyaqala ukuyibona le bese nisibona isitory salo sisi lo wakakhoza usisi wakhona kuthiwa enene walala neNigeria and makalala neNigeria then waqala waguga umntana umuntu yabona makuthiwa khona izithwalo ezikhona emhlabeni. Ngiyaqala ukubona isinjeya makuthiwa isithwalo. Kade ngifunda ama comments Facebook, abanye bathi enene angazi waphucwa inama electrolytes emzimbeni, so which is taking emgugisayo, o bayachaza kusho ukuthi lo muntu alala naye isithwalo sakhe saphumelela, that is why lo sisi lona esenciphe kangaka. Nayi video ngicela niyibhekele nini.
Snenhlanhla Khoza ineminyaka u-31, ngihlala eMtuba endaweni yaseDukduku ekhula village wa-3. Ngicela usizo, ngiqala ukugula ngo-2022, isikhumba sami sabedane sashintsha saba nje, and kade abantu ngibahamba angisizakali, nabaprofethi kade ngibahamba angisizakali, akukho engakwenzanga usize ngikuthule. Bengicela noma uba ungakhona ukungisiza lesimo ngibhekene naso, ukuthi angisize, ngoba noma ngazi ukuthi kahle kahle ngenzakalani, ngoba bonke abantu engibahambayo bangitshela izinto ezihlukene.
Guys, ngicabanga ukuthi kwenzekelani kena vele wena nje, what do you think enzekile lo sisi? Abanye bathi enene abantu ba spread propaganda manje ngoba naku sekuzama uqoshwa amakorekwere, so sekuthiwa enene amakorekwere, abantu abalala namakorekwere. But usisi uyasho nje ukuthi enene walala nomuntu wangaphandle. Ifuna ufakile ibuko ke le lalela, ngiyasaba ukulala nomfana. Umfana ngiyasaba ukulala nayo at this moment, because wow, vele nje ke Nkosi yami uNkulunkulu akanginika nge-DNA yokuthanda abafana bangaphandle. Angicwazi guys, kodwa zanginike nje i-DNA yokuthanda ama-Nigerians guys. No my friend, angeke nje indlela engiyisaba ngayo. Ukhona omunye usisi womngane wethu wasitshela ukuthi unuka abantu bayamuzwa, akalapheki, usekuhlulekile. Wathi I hope niyasikhumbula leso story ngasixoxa. Wathulalwa yilwane ngishehleli, wathi akadinga ukuthi azasumeke zubuthongo, ilwane zimlala ngishehleli. Manje mina vele ngisabe kakhulu nje ngoba ngeke guys, I hope lo sisathola usizo. Uthi yamfonela le mfana wase Nigeria, uyazama ukumfonela, uyamfuna umfana akatholakali, nowhere to be found ke Mtakabawo. Ay elunye uhlobo lesithwalo lo ngiyaqala nami ukulibona. Aqala kaze ngibonte nje yaguga ingane encane. Eqaleni bengingakholelwa, bengicabanga ukuthi mina uyisala kwazi nje, hayi cha, kushuthi it's one of those stories nje basigobhozela basenza ilimi ngoba befuna ukuthi enene sibuka istory. But I realize ukuthi man no, but because mawuyibuka ithombe zakhe nje uyibona ivideo nje uzibone nesithombe, mawuyibuka ithombe zakhe uyabona ngempela uyena from 31 to 80 100 in fact. Yo basabe nabafana ngalahla Nkosi yami, musani ukulahla ngenkomo kangaka. Yo baba namalashes ayasho ukuthi sifuna ukukhishwa, ningalahli kangaka. Hayi But ke I hope usisathola usizo. We're not judging her because as far as the circumstances akhe thina siyalalela ubonke welendlovukazi uMamgobhozi noDumo izithola zishisa khona lana. So this is what is trending right now on Facebook.
Yes. Okay, so the 31-year-old who suddenly appears to have aged decades has sparked intense discussion online. Her name is Nhlanhla Khoza, and we've actually covered so many videos about her. So many people have been left shocked, wondering how someone so young could appear to be in their 90s. I mean, in their 90s, right? Within what seems like a short period of time. While there are medical conditions that can affect a person's appearance and cause signs of premature aging, it is important not to jump to conclusions without knowing the full facts. Only qualified medical professionals can determine the true cause of a person's condition. At the same time, this story has has reminded many people about the importance of taking care of their health and making wise life choices. So in this video, I also share the story of another woman who claimed that she knew a friend who became involved with a man and later developed a severe intimate health problem, including a strong odor that reportedly could not be resolved despite efforts to seek help. Whether every detail of that story is accurate or not, it serves as a reminder that our health should never be taken lightly. To all the young women and ladies watching this video, please value and protect yourselves. If you are sexually active, be responsible, limit your number of partners, and always prioritize your health and safety. Regular medical checkups, honest communication, and practice safe sex can help reduce many health risks. Personally, I believe that intimacy is something that should be treated with great care and responsibility. My own view is that waiting until marriage is the safest and most respectful choice, but everyone must make their own decision and understand the consequences that can come with them. So your body is precious. Not every person who comes into your life deserves access to it. Deserves access to it. So sometimes a decision that takes a few moments can have effects that can even last for years. Protect your physical health, your emotional well-being, and your future.